I'm recording you.
Recording?
Yeah. Talk to your brother.
What?
Talk to your brother.
Hey, buddy. Buddy. What do you say, buddy?
Who is that?
Eli.
Eli. How old is Eli? Do you remember?
3.
He is 3 weeks old.
Yeah, he's 3.
You're right.
Whoa.
3 weeks old.
Zoe.
He really liked his pappy this morning.